Hello, I'm Michael, this is Serena, and in this film we're going to show you a really easy way to make a fun, gooey slime, also known as Oobleck. And it's using three simple ingredients. One is called cornflour, which is used as a thickener in the kitchen. One is some food colouring, which is optional, you don't really need it, but water is essential. And once they're all mixed together in the right quantities and proportions and in the right way, you'll have a fun kind of gloopy stuff that's hard but soft, and when it's mushed together it will it's unusual, as you will see. Okay, so over to Serena. Who's going to start by pouring the water, this is 60 milliliters, into the mixing bowl, and it's going to be 1 part of water to about 1.5 parts of the corn flour. Next, a little bit of the green food colouring. This is the end of our tube, so that's going in, and he's just going to go in. That's perfect. And now Serena's going to start by spooning in a little bit of the corn flour, bit by bit. Start with a small amount and then mix it with the other spoon so you don't get wet mixed with the dry. That's enough for the time being. Start mixing it.
Much thicker. See, the consistency is getting better.
Is it hard to turn?
This is actually, that's nice, right?
Is it almost ready to pick up?
Not yet. Look at that. Look at the little shapes it makes in the wall, in the rest of the oobleck. It's really nice. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
I know.
This is it pouring. So it's very liquidy.
Oh, I love this bit. Ooh, this is so nice.
And it's got that green colour that we added.
Look, I can't get this side bit out.
You have to tear it out, don't you?
Yeah, because it's hard. See, like that, you have to.
Are you going to play with it?
Yeah. Now I can play with it.
And this bigger bowl's just really for tidiness, really.
Beautiful.
How does it feel?
It's really satisfying.
But it snaps, doesn't it?
Yeah. Look, if you leave it like this.
Kind of crumbles.
It crumbles, yeah. Not snaps. If I punch it, it won't let me inside. But if I do it gently, look, if I just leave it hanging there, I'm not actually moving my finger. Just letting it be, look. Gets stuck to my finger.
Like quicksand.